In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update forms in Freshsales Crm. To begin, log in to your Freshsales CRM account and look to the left-hand navigation bar. You are going to open the Admin Settings area. Click the gear icon. This is where Freshsales keeps the tools that control how your CRM is configured, including the forms you use to capture new leads or contact details from your website. Once you are in Admin Settings, find the section labeled Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. Click into that and then select Web Forms. This opens the list of web forms that are already set up in your account. If you have more than one form, take a moment to identify the one you want to update so you apply your changes to the correct form. Next, select the existing form you want to change from the list. After you open it, you will be able to edit what information the form collects and what happens after someone submits it. Now move to the field setup. Click Add Contact Fields and choose the fields you want to include on the form, such as a name field and an email field. As you add fields, think about what your team truly needs to follow up quickly. It is also important to mark the essential fields as required, so submissions do not come in missing key details. Keep in mind that making too many fields required can reduce completions, so focus on the basics your process depends on. After your fields look right, configure what users see after they submit the form. You can choose to display a custom message, which is useful for a simple confirmation, or you can set a redirect URL to send them to a specific page, like a thank you page or a resource page. Make sure the message is clear or that the redirect page loads correctly, since this is the final step in the visitor experience. When everything is set, click Save. Then click Get Code Snippet. Copy the provided HTML or JavaScript snippet exactly as shown. Finally, paste that snippet into your website, either in the HTML body where you want the form to appear or in the footer, depending on how your site is structured. Save and publish your website changes so the updated form goes live. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.